In the complex world of industrial manufacturing, maintaining safety and efficiency is a constant challenge. Traditional monitoring methods often fall short in providing the real-time insights needed to prevent incidents. That's where our advanced video analytics solution comes in, designed specifically for the industrial and manufacturing space. Powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms, our system delivers continuous, reliable monitoring with 24/7 operation. Detects safety violations like forklift proximity issues and handrail noncompliance instantly. With configurable rules, our AI adapts to your specific safety protocols, ensuring compliance and reducing risks. Whether it's monitoring pedestrian safety or ensuring hand wash compliance, our video analytics provide an additional layer of intelligence, tracking movement and behavior to maintain the highest safety standards. Leverage our detailed reports and analytics to plan more effective operations. Communicate real-time alerts directly to workers and initiate audio warnings for ongoing violations, all while maintaining smooth operations. Integrate seamlessly with IoT devices for full automation, all underpinned by strong data security protocols. Our system ensures that your data remains protected and only accessible to authorized personnel. Revolutionize your manufacturing processes with our intelligent video analytics solution, enhancing safety, operational efficiency, and productivity across your facilities. Step into the future of industrial safety and efficiency. Reach out to us today to explore how our AI-based video analytics can transform your operations.